Good morning, student. So after quadratic equation, we start the new lesson, that is coordinate geometry. So in 9th standard also you learn about the coordinate geometry, but in that coordinate geometry only you learn what is meant by the Cartesian plane. The plane is divided into 4 parts. Each part is known as the quadrant, first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So from this quadrant we can plot the point, means the point can be plotted in the Cartesian plane. Point can be plotted in the Cartesian plane so that we get the position of the point. We get the position of the point. Now in this year again we understood what is meant by the Cartesian coordinate and what is meant by the coordinate geometry. So coordinate geometry is the geometry in which we fix the point, or we study the equation of line, we study the position of the point, we study how can we find the distance between the 2 points, how can we find the coordinate of the point which divide the segment. Got it? For example, if I consider this is the point A and the point B, this is the point B, okay? So these are the 2 points having coordinate x1, y1. So A is the point in the given plane, B is also the point in the given plane having coordinate x1, y1 and x2, y2. Got it? x2, y2. Now if you find the distance of these 2 points, we have to find the distance. What is the distance between these 2 points? That we will study in this lesson. Okay? Now this lesson is divided in 3 parts. Okay? The first part is distance formula. Distance formula. Okay, distance formula means by using this formula we can find the distance between the 2 points. 2 पॉइंट के बीच का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम लोग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे. गॉट इट? नाउ द सेकंड पार्ट इज सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. सेक्शन फॉर्मूला. Now by using this section formula, section is nothing but the division. Section means division. So by using this formula we can find the coordinate of those points which divide the segment. Section formula में क्या करना है हमको? We find the coordinate of that point which divide the segment. For example, the segment AB is divided by P. The segment AB is divided by P. We can find the coordinate of P by using the section formula. By using section formula. Now this P divide the segment AB in 2 parts, and these parts are known as M1 and M2. 2 part में divide किया. For example, if this is of your AB having 10 centimeter distance, मान के चलेंगे कि AB का जो डिस्टेंस है, this is of your A and this is B. Now this is of your P. This distance is 6 and this distance is 4. It means that P divide the segment AB in the ratio 3:2. Why 3:2? Because 6 upon 4 is nothing but the 3 upon 2. 6 upon 4 is nothing but the 3 upon 2. So all these informations we will understood in the section formula, that is second part. Now the third is so the last topic of this lesson is area of triangle. Now the third is area of triangle. Means the triangle having the 3 vertices. This is of your triangle. It has 3 vertices, that is A, B and C. A having the coordinate, that is x1, y1. Why? Because A is the point in the given plane and every point in the plane having the coordinate, that is x coordinate and y coordinate, because of its fixed position. Similarly, here also the point B, it is also having the coordinate x2 and y2, and the C having the coordinate x3, y3. So these are the coordinate of A, B and C. A, B or C are the vertices of the triangle. We find the area of this triangle by using one formula. That formula we will derive. But this section is deleted this year. This section is deleted in this year. Therefore, we study only the distance formula and section formula only. Okay. Now the distance formula and section formula here only. So first we consider the distance formula. So what is the distance formula? How can we derive the distance formula? That we will be understood in this topic. Okay. Now first, so before that, before I start the distance formula, so before I start the distance formula, just I recall you the previous knowledge about the distance. Just we go in the third standard. So in the third standard, we learn about the number line. On this number line, here is a 0. And on the right side of the 0 there are the positive integers, and the left side of the 0 there are the negative integers. So this is of your 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way infinite numbers are there. Here -1, -2, -3. In this way there are the infinite number of the points. Okay. Now in the third standard, if I consider this is the point P and this is of your point Q, so naturally we can find the distance between P and Q is given by distance PQ, and this is nothing but we start from here and we will go unit wise on the right side. The first unit we go, this is 1, 2, 3. So the distance between PQ is nothing but the 3. तो PQ का जो distance हो गया है, PQ का जो length हो गया है, this is of your 3 unit. और ये हमने find out किया था third standard. Got it? Now in the 5th, 6th and 7th standard तक आते 8th standard तक आते हम इसको और एक आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे. मींस उसको कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? We can find by using the formula greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Okay? Means directly we are not going like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. We are not going like this. Okay? We are going directly by using the formula, that is the greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Here the greater coordinate is 4 because Q having the coordinate 4 because it is on the number line. Therefore it has only one coordinate, that is 4. It means the greater coordinate is 4 minus of the smaller coordinate, the P having the coordinate 1. Therefore 4 minus 1, that is of equals to 3. So by using the direct formula, we can find the distance between the 2 points, but the condition is that both the point lies on the either x-axis or y-axis, because only if the point lies on the number line, it has only one coordinate, and that coordinate is nothing but the corresponding of that point on the line. Now here the P having the coordinate 1, Q having the coordinate 4, so naturally the 4 is greater than 1. The 4 is greater than 1. P का coordinate क्या है? 1 है. Q का coordinate है 4. So naturally 4 is greater than 1. It means that greater coordinate is 4 and the smaller coordinate is 1. Okay? So 4 minus 1, that is of equals to 3. Another example, we can consider as, ये दूसरा एग्जांपल हम कंसीडर करेंगे। अब ये हो गया P और Q के बारे में। अब यहां पे दे रहा हूं मैं, यहां पे दिया मैंने A और यहां पे कंसीडर किया मैंने B। We can use the same formula. We can use the same formula. Which formula we can apply? AB is equals to greater coordinate, distance AB is equals to greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Got it? Greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. Now here the greater coordinate. Now A having the coordinate. A का coordinate क्या मिल गया आपको? A का coordinate हो गया है यहाँ पे -2 and B का coordinate हो gaya yahan pe +2. You know that -2 is lesser than +2. It means 2 is greater and -2 is smaller because it is lies on the left side. Okay? जो left side में है वो smaller है और जो right side में है वो larger है, greater है. So naturally 2 is greater than -2. So we write greater coordinate is +2. बीच में देंगे minus. And the smaller coordinate is -2. We can write here. Now 2, this minus into minus plus is +2 is equals to 4. So the distance AB is equals to 4. Now we can identify, we can verify by using the third standard method, like as A से start करेंगे 1, 2, 3 and 4. So this your answer is correct. Okay? So this is nothing but the distance between the 2 points in the given plane. This is nothing but the distance between the 2 points in the given plane. अब हम पढ़ेंगे कि यहाँ पे ये जो पॉइंट है, ये पॉइंट प्लेन पे यानी लाइन पर नहीं है, तो कैसे डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे? Now see everyone. This is of your y-axis. Vertical line is there. Sorry. This is of your vertical line. Okay. And this is of your horizontal line. This line is considered as a x-axis, okay, and this line is considered as a y-axis, y. This is y dash. This is of your 0. Got it? After that, the 2 points in the given plane. If I consider this is the point A, and this is the point B. Okay. Now here we find the coordinate of this point. The coordinate of this point is x1, y1. The coordinate of this point B is x2, y2. Got it? Okay. Now we can find the distance between the 2 points. ये दोनों के बीच का distance find out करना है मुझे. Got it? अब मैं क्या करूंगा? इसका coordinate x1, y1 कैसे आया? क्योंकि इसका x coordinate है x1 और इसका x coordinate हो गया x2. Now what is the y coordinate of A? A का y coordinate बन गया यहाँ पे y1 और यहाँ पे B का y coordinate बन गया यहाँ पे y2. Okay? So that's why the coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. Understood? Now here both the lines are intersect at point C. Got it? Now this C and the C is nothing but the 90 degree. Now we can find the coordinate of C. C के coordinate find out करेंगे. अब C के कोऑर्डिनेट फाइंड आउट करना है हमको, तो क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट कितना हो गया? x2 एंड व्हाट इज इट्स y कोऑर्डिनेट? y1. अंडरस्टूड? नाउ वी कैन फाइंड द डिस्टेंस AC. AC फाइंड आउट करेंगे. अब AC यदि मैं कंसीडर करता हूं तो AC में इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है. ओके? y कोऑर्डिनेट सेम है बिकॉज़ AC is the line which is parallel to x-axis. तो नेचुरली इसमें x कोऑर्डिनेट ही कंसीडर करेंगे हम लोग, इसका y कोऑर्डिनेट कंसीडर नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज़ y1 minus y1 0 बन गया, तो उसको छोड़ देंगे. तो बचा कौन? x कोऑर्डिनेट बचा. अब इसमें x कोऑर्डिनेट में ग्रेटर कोऑर्डिनेट क्या हो गया? x2 and what is the smaller coordinate? x1. So what is the formula to find the distance between A and C? That is greater coordinate minus smaller coordinate. अंडरस्टूड? इतना समझ गए हमको? अब हम निकालेंगे BC का फॉर्मूला, BC का वैल्यू. सो BC इज नथिंग बट द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन B एंड C. तो डिस्टेंस बिटवीन बी एंड सी का मतलब हो गया बी के और बी और सी के बीच का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करेंगे। सो बी और सी का डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करना है तो दोनों के कोऑर्डिनेट हम चेक करेंगे। देन व्हाट वी अंडरस्टूड हियर, इट्स x कोऑर्डिनेट इज सेम and the y coordinate is different. Why? Because this point lies on the y axis. तो y axis पे है तो इसका x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम हो गया, तो y कोऑर्डिनेट x कोऑर्डिनेट सेम हो गया तो ग्रेटर माइनस स्मॉलर करेंगे तो भी ये जीरो आ जाएगा x कोऑर्डिनेट में। तो बचा कौन सा, y2 माइनस y1। y2 क्यों, क्योंकि ग्रेटर कोऑर्डिनेट y2 है, therefore this is of your y2 minus y1. Understood? So these are the two values, that is AC and BC. Now we can apply the Pythagoras theorem here. So by using the Pythagoras theorem, what we get, AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. The square of the hypotenuse is equals to sum of the squares of the remaining two sides. Therefore AB square is equals to AC square plus BC square. Now AC is nothing but the x2 minus x1 whole square plus of y2 minus y1 whole square. Now we will taking square root on both sides. Then what we will get, this is of your AB square है, तो इसका यदि स्क्वायर रूट कंसीडर करता हूं तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे, AB is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So this is the formula to find the distance between AB. Therefore, so the same formula can be written as, how can we write the same formula? AB is equals to square root of, अब यहां पे x2 minus x1 है तो y2 minus y1 लिया, हम इसी फॉर्मूले को ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं x1 minus x2 whole square plus of y1 minus y2 whole square. Got it? So in this way we can find the distance between the two points having coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. So how can we write the definition, or we can write the statement, let a ब्रैकेट में x1 y1, let a, कैसे लिखेंगे इसको, let a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 be the points in the given plane. Let a and b are the points in the given plane having coordinate x1 y1 and x2 y2. Then the distance between AB is given by AB is equals to square root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus of y1 minus y2 whole square. x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So by using this formula you can find the distance between any two point. Any two point का मतलब, यदि मैं A को कंसीडर करता हूं 2,3 और B को कंसीडर किया मैंने 3,2. So this is of your x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. Just you put the value and find the distance between two points. So by using this formula, means this is the derivation of the distance formula, and this is the formula to find the distance between two points.